In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide columns in Monday.com. If you're looking to streamline your board view by concealing certain information or simply want to focus on specific data, this tutorial will guide you through the process in just 3 minutes. Let's start by opening your Monday.com account and navigating to the board where you want to make adjustments. Whether you're using Monday.com for project management, tracking tasks, or any other purpose, you'll usually have a board chock full of columns that capture various aspects of your projects. Sometimes, not all these columns are necessary for everyone at all times, and that's where hiding them comes in handy. Next, you'll want to locate the Hide Columns icon. This icon is your gateway to customizing the visibility of your board, allowing you to focus on what truly matters for your current task or project stage. Clicking on this icon will trigger a menu or a panel where you can manage all your columns. Once you've accessed the Hide Columns interface, you'll see a list of all your columns, presenting you with the options available for hiding. Here, you can simply scroll through this list until you find the column that you wish to hide. This could be anything from a timeline you're not currently focusing on, to a status update column that's not relevant for your current project phase. By managing these visually, it'll make your board more efficient and decluttered. After you've identified the column you want to obscure, clicking on it will effectively hide it, removing it from your immediate view on the board. Don't worry though, the data isn't gone, just hidden. This move makes navigating the board faster and can help reduce distractions, enabling you and your team to better focus on active priorities. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden a column on your Monday.com board. If, at any point, you decide that you need to bring back that column, simply revisit the Hide Columns icon and repeat the process, clicking again on the column to unhide it. Remember, this is a powerful feature for keeping your board organized and focused only on current tasks and priorities. It's a quick, effective way to clean up your visual workspace and ensure everyone working on the board sees only the most pertinent information. Feel free to experiment with this as you get more comfortable with the board settings and discover which columns are essential for visibility and which ones can be temporarily tucked away. This customization ability is just another way Monday.com enhances productivity and project management. Thank you for tuning in to this quick tutorial. I hope you find it useful as you continue to navigate and optimize your workspaces on Monday.com. See you next time.